welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make lifestyle type videos about hair and nails and makeup and get ready with me. I was doing some live streams. I don't know how many more of those I'm going to do anymore. Anyway, so today, if you like this look, we did it using the Carnival XL Remastered Palette by Stacy Marie. It's super duper pretty. If I can get it open. Here it is, and we stayed on these columns here. And so if you want to see how we did this, then keep watching. Hi, so today we're going to do a look out of the Carnival XL Remastered Palette. I ordered this off Walmart.com, but I've seen it on Amazon and other places too, but that was a halfway decent price and I didn't have to pay shipping, and I got it. So isn't that pretty? We're going to stick with orange probably. We might use some pink, and I'll show you what I'm going to try to match with. You can see I'm wearing a yellow top, and ordered this sweater, which the places I go is really heavily air conditioned, so you need to wear a sweater. So I've got this sweater that I'm gonna wear as an over sweater today, and so our goal is to match that. You can see we've got pink, turquoise, yellow, and some orange, and the pink's more a peach color, not really a bright pink, but we could go either way. So let's get going. I think we're gonna try to stick with the orange theme, because the only dark color we've got is turquoise, and of course the pink might go with the turquoise, but I had in my head yellow and orange, so that's what we're going to do today. I did wash out my brushes and so they're drying, and I grabbed me some different brushes to use. Well, we've used these before. It's been a few weeks. So let's start off with these dark orangey colors. Not really red. We're going to go down this bottom. I can't read the names. It's just down on this bottom row. And I'm going to try really hard. And if you wonder what I'm looking at the mirror behind me, but right now I can't see. I got a new ring light. It goes on top, so I can't see, because I was having such problems before getting everything to balance, and that was ridiculous. I was not going to do that no more. It had a tripod I was trying to set up, and that was not necessary. So this color is kind of an orangey color. It was kind of, I'm just sticking with this row here, and then we'll add in some yellow and some other things to darken it up. But right now I'm just going with that darkest shade of red or orange, whatever you want to call it. A blob in the corner. And then, so around the top, oh, is there any shimmers here? It's hard to tell. Most of these have several shimmers on them. Yeah, that's a pretty shimmer. Red. Anyway, let me grab my glasses. Okay, so this one looks like a little sparkly, so it looks like a shimmer, this one right here. So this one looks like the only shimmer on this row. This yellow row's got two shimmers. And, but this didn't hurt my eyes, probably because I think it might have been the shimmers that was hurting my eyes before of some of those other palettes. Anyway, let's see what we can do here with this mirror. That little iPad mini is just too small. Now we're going to take orange, this top orange, and we're going to stick next to it. Kind of make it a little bit of a gradient. I had got some water on this somehow. And the skincare I used, all I used was some CeraVe and some hydrating moisturizer, because I'm still trying to take it easy for the next till Thursday of this week, which today's Sunday for me. Y'all get this on a different day, because I'm kind of scheduling them in advance. And I don't know how I got this wet, but it left a little bit of a orange on my brush. It must have fallen. So now we're going to go in with some yellow. I'm just going to use this bright yellow here on the top. I hope this will look good. I just don't know. The browns that I used yesterday, I was wearing a black top that had gold print on it, and so I elected to use the brown, and that turned out real pretty. So, for above the yellow, let's take some peach, why not, and just kind of put it at the top above that. Kind of blend that all in. I guess Blend Bunny's got a new palette coming out. I saw someone did a video on it. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. I think I got enough Blend Bunnies right now. So let's darken this red corner up. Find a different brush with that darkest orangey red again. Now I'm going to go back in with the orange next to it, darken it back up. And then we're going to go in with some shimmers. Let's start off with the orangey red shimmer at the end. I'm trying to wash my hands. This one looked like it was a shimmer, this red. So we're going to see how it looks on the eye. It's in the middle there. That looked like a shimmer to me. It doesn't look real shimmery right now though. Maybe I did the wrong one. Yeah, I don't know if we have any shimmers in these. They don't have much shimmer to them. So it looks like I just got some more red matte and no shimmer. Let's look at this again. Okay, so this one here has got a little bit of sparkle to it. It doesn't have a whole lot of shimmer, but even though I like the shimmer, something was irritating my eye, so I was doing the wrong one. Okay, so there's a little bit more shimmer now. I miss being able to see everything all the time. So it goes, you get older, your eyes go out. Then we're going to put some yellow shimmer over the yellow side. I can see that one. That one's pretty sparkly right here. We got these greens over here. Those are going to be pretty when we decide to use those. A little bit more. So I know I've got some here. I'll have to clean that up in here. Or we could not. We could just clean out the underneath it and call that part of the underline. So let's do something dark that's going to go. I don't know how the red's going to go. We can give it a try, and if it doesn't look good, we can put something over it. If you can't tell, I'm just doing this by ear as I go. So let's take this, if it doesn't work out good, we'll put a little bit of black or a little bit of dark brown. We probably need to do that anyway. So I'm going to mix these two reds together. and stamp down here at the bottom. Probably need to be adding some black to this anyway. Just blended it in with a little bit of that peach color above both of them. Now I'm trying to V this out a little bit more. Now we're going to add in some black or dark brown. May as well do black. We'll start off with a little bit of black. Try to darken it up. So we're going to use a different brush. Add a little bit underneath the line too. Now blend that in. I'm going to add some more black to under eye. Now I'm going to try to fix it up a little bit more with a little more of that red. The colors are doing good. If there's anything problem, it's the operator error, me. Add a little bit more of that so it doesn't really look so black. It just looks darker. But when we get our lashes on, that's going to make everything look better. Alrighty, I think we're ready to start lashes. But first, let's do some tinted sunscreen. Let's see if we got this all worked in good. So for the inner corner, I didn't really see a lot. We could, we've already got that yellow in there. We've got peach in there. We could use, I don't know, some kind of a powder color is just going to look like powder. So maybe we have to just leave well enough alone. I'm gonna brighten up this shimmer though, this yellow shimmer. Brighten that up. There's a white. We could use a little bit of white. It's not going to hurt. Let's see. Right here in the corner, there's a white. So this palette's got us a white and a black. And after wearing this all day, we'll see how my eyes feel. Alrighty, that's probably good. They look like little half lashes, and so we'll see how that looks for us. Our lashy box should be coming in pretty soon. Alrighty, so the next thing is, let's see if we need a touch-up. Just a reblend or something like that. Just take the brush and try to reblend. We definitely have a little bit of yellow down here. Let's take some powder and just try to clean that up. Just trying to clean it up a little bit more. So we see just a tad yellow down there, and so that's okay. Looks like maybe I did that on purpose. And we could touch up the underline just a little bit. Not the top. So we'll wipe off one of these, and we're going to take that yellow glitter and touch the under just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then maybe just a tad more. And then we're going to touch up the red, just a little bit, or the orange, whatever, that darkish shade down at the bottom there. You know, we had to put the black on it, and so that kind of darkened it up, so we're just putting a little of this on top. There. You know, we can mess around with this all day long. So for a blush, we need something warm. And is there something in here we could use? How about we just use our peach color that's from Singe Beauty. This is a pretty color, and I think it would go. I know I've still got some pinkness and redness. It's not even been 2 weeks yet. And I know today I ran out of that elastin. So I do have some new City Lips. This was kind of a mocha brown color. We'll see how we like it. Just kind of a nudie brown color. I mean, it's fine. The pink would have been just fine too. You know, I'm really not used to it. I'm not going to mix anything on top of it. But this looks kind of a nude color on there. Of course, it is a gloss. So what are we going to do with our hair? We just okay, I think this is it. So if I don't like this big hump here, we'll just wear it down today. Okay, so this is going to be the final look. We're just going to wear it down today. I don't think I'm pulling it up. It's hard for me to see. And I don't know what looks better, up or down. It depends. I might pull it up later. So y'all have a great day. Please give me a like and a subscribe. Or if you don't like it, give me a dislike and put in the comments why you didn't like it. And I'll see if I can do better, okay? And we'll see you later. Bye-bye.